Hi guys, it's Joe from Renu Therapy. Today we're going to go over how to properly check and position the O-ring inside your filter housing. All of our filter housings come with an O-ring, and we provide a spare inside the packaging of your cold plunge tank. Your tank will come with one of these two filter casings, either the XL Cold Stoic 3.0 or Aurelius, or the standard 2.0 or any other models. Please note that on the XL filter casing, the O-ring sits at the very top right next to this little lip. On the standard filter housing, the O-ring sits right here under the threads. When performing filter changes, be careful not to lose the black O-ring inside the filter housing. The only way for the filter housing to leak is if the O-ring is pinched, worn, missing, or if the threads aren't aligned properly. And then that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to call our customer service.